Welcome to Shetty's kitchen. Today let's see how to make quick and easy tomato rice. Let's begin the recipe. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add 10 chopped curry leaves and about 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Fry them in low flame so that they don't change the color. Also add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. You can also use peanuts instead of cashew nuts. Fry it in low flame again and then add 2 medium-sized and finely chopped onions. Fry it until it turns translucent. And then add 4 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes. Fry it again. Mix everything together. And then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 sliced green chilies. Also add 3-4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. This goes as per the taste. Mix everything together, close it with a lid and cook it until the tomatoes completely shrink. This will take about 7 to 8 minutes on low to medium flame. Next add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it and add few chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and add some salt to taste. Mix everything together and finally we are going to add rice. We are going to add cooked rice here. I have taken about 3 servings of rice. Mix it well and our tasty quick tomato rice is ready to serve.